Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A13, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. Now to get started, we'll need to boot the device into recovery mode, and to do so we need a computer and obviously a cable. So let's connect it right away. There we go. And from here you want to power off the device, so either hold the power key or just pull down your notifications and tap on this button right over here and select power off. Now before I do so, I'll mention that there's two versions that may happen depending on how fast you are about it. So once you turn off the device and once the phone actually turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up. If you do it quick enough, you can boot into the recovery mode fairly quickly. If you do it a little bit too slow, it will then basically show you the charging progress, so it gives like this circle with charging indication, and then it actually loads the actual battery percentage. So during this time, holding power key and volume up will do nothing, because this animation basically needs to go fully through before you can do anything else. So what I recommend you to do is right away try to hold power key and volume up. So anyway, let's get back to it. So power off, still on. There we go, it's off, power, volume up. Now additionally, if you hold it a little bit too fast, it might not turn on, so just let go of the keys for just a second and start holding them again. But it looks like I was just right on time. As you can see, this boots us into recovery mode. So in here, using volume keys, you want to scroll down to wipe cache partition, confirm it with power key, select yes, the same way you did before, and there we go, cache wipe complete. So reboot system now should be selected by default at this point, so press power key once again to confirm that, and this will reboot the device. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.